Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of the very famous Chinese Indonesian dish called Sapo Tofu. So this is basically stir-fry vegetable with egg tofu, and also later I'm going to add some prawns. It's a very yummy dish and a very comforting dish, and best to serve with rice. So let's get started. So first I'm going to prepare the egg tofu. Let's turn on the cooker first because I'm going to deep fry the egg tofu. So cut the egg tofu into few pieces. This is quite delicate. So here I'm using corn flour. Let's put into the plate and cover the tofu with the flour. So the oil is hot enough. Let's add the tofu. Let's turn it over. So the color is changed and it's cooked now. Let's put it aside. Now let's fry the prawns. Add a little bit of the vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, and add to the pan. So I fried the prawns a little bit, then put it aside. So now let's prepare all the vegetables. I start cutting the broccoli. Cauliflower, baby corn, carrot, Pock choi, ear mushroom, spring onion. I cut thinly diagonal. Slice the onion. And chop the garlic. Now everything is prepared. Let's cook the sapo tofu. And here I'm using a same pan and also some oil left over after we cooked the prawns earlier. I'm going to add more oil and turn on the cooker. Add the garlic. Cook for a few seconds and add the onion. Cook until the onion slightly soft. Then add the water. Along with carrot, baby corn, cauliflower, and mushroom. Let's cover it and we cook until it's halfway cooked. Now add the broccoli, bok choy, spring onion, along with the prawns that we cooked earlier, and the egg tofu. Mix well. Then add the salt, sugar, and mushroom boyong powder. And here I have oyster sauce, salty soy sauce, fish sauce, and sesame oil. I mix together. For the measurement, please check the description. Add it. Mix well. Cook for another 1 minute. So here I have a tapioca starch and fresh water, and I mix together. And let's add to the vegetables. I add this to make the liquid thicker. And cook for another 1 minute. So now it's ready. Let's plate it. So here we are, Sapo Tofu. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma, happy cooking, bye bye.